Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm finally going to install this backup camera on my truck. This is way better than the one I have on right now. This one looks way professional, cleaner, simple, and it makes the truck look a lot more cleaner in my opinion. But the backup camera that I have in my truck, it's basically a cheap $20 one from Walmart. It was just there just for the meanwhile until I got this one from Amazon. So if you guys want this backup camera for your Silverado, I'll leave the link down in the description below on this YouTube video, so y'all can go and buy it. But without further ado, guys, let's get into this video. All right, so I'm gonna take off. You gotta take off this little tiny little thing right here. Pull it off. This little piece comes off. Put it to the side. Take this little bottom panel off. Put it to the side. Grab the top. The steering wheel panel. What is that little plate? Whatever. This thing, take those two bolts on the off of it, the bottom of it. Should be two little bolts at the bottom right here. You see those two, 1, 2, and then it comes loose. So yeah, once you get that off, you're gonna pull this off. You might want to put it in drive. That way you can get the lever lower. And there it is right there. There's that panel. I have for the radio these two little bolts right here, 1, 2. They come off. I gotta take them off right now. Alrighty guys, so here's my camera in. I'm gonna remove that, and here's my it's wired to the purple wire on the radio, which is it's reverse wire, and it's connected to the red and the yellow. This is my old one. I gotta swap it out, remember? So I'm gonna take it off right here, and I got these little twistings, so let's see. I'm gonna put it to the side because I'm gonna reuse that right now a little bit. This little thing right here. And then I'm gonna undo it, and then here's my camera wire. I'm gonna bring it all the way to the side, pull it. It's behind this thing. Throw that to the side, pull it out, come over here behind this thing. I'm gonna take my little rug off. I'm weatherproof. Throw it in the back real quick. Sorry guys, I know it's not the perfect video quality right now, moving the camera and stuff, but it is what it is. I'm gonna remove this panel real quick, and the wire goes underneath through here. Tell right here. I'll pull it through. A little tight squeeze. All right guys, so here's the new one that it came with. As you can tell, it looks the same on the radio plug-in side. It's got the little power to the reverse. So I'm gonna plug it into the camera in, which is with this one right here. I'll plug it in there. And then I'm going to wire it to the purple, the red and purple, the way I just showed you guys how I took it off. I'm gonna put it in the same way. All right guys, so there's the new wire. I'm still taking off the old wire, but I'm gonna feed the new wire in place. And I already got it coming from underneath the rug, and I'm basically gonna feed it the same way I took it out. It's the same way I'm putting it in to reach it to the radio. Pull some of this out to give me more slack. Alrighty guys, so there it is. I already hid the wire already underneath this panel right here in the backside. Still mess with it, but it's under here, goes to the top, and then connected it to my radio, and to the camera in on the radio, and then to the reverse positive on the radio. It's the red wire from the harness that it came with. So now I'm just gonna put the radio back in. And alrighty guys, so everything's good now. The radio's wire and harness is all good. It's all tucked away underneath. Now I'm gonna feed the wire underneath all the way to the back. Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna feed the wire underneath the truck. Just feed it through underneath somewhere. I'm gonna try to get the camera good for you guys. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm feeding the wire underneath the cab. Just putting it underneath, just trying to hide it and run it through the frame area. If you guys can see that, see how I'm kind of running the wire underneath through the frame part. Oh, it's a lot of wire, by the way. So just feed it through. Keep bringing the wire. Keep bringing the wire. I just put it under this one. Now I'm gonna pull it through, feed it through. Same thing. Just try to hide it as best as you can. We're really just trying to get this wire towards the brake light. Here, probably gonna get some zip ties later on and make it look prettier and zip it to some of the frame and stuff to make it look a little prettier. But anyways, I'm getting closer to the end. I'm probably gonna feed it through here, this top part. So make sure that when you're feeding the wire, make sure you kind of aim it slightly and make sure you ain't pulling nothing too crazy and breaking the wire or cutting the wire. So there it is. And then I'm gonna bring it up. Let me get underneath it quick. Right here. Got it. Then now I'm gonna feed this whole harness to the top part of the brake light. Try to grab it, pull it through from the other side. Just like that. All right, so now I'm gonna connect the wire, the harness towards the power. Alrighty guys, so now I got the wire harness here. As you can tell, we're gonna just connect these black and red wires to the reverse. So we're gonna connect the ground to the ground, positive to the green on the reverse. So here's the black. The black's gonna be to the ground. Then our red's gonna be to the power, which is the green. Let me go get some electrical tape. Alrighty, so I just got some electrical tape, guys. I'm just gonna tape it up. Come back later and probably solder them together or something. I'm gonna also tape that harness. Just hold it in place. That way it doesn't pull too much on the red and black wire. I'm just gonna tape some of the wire together because it's all like really long and stuff, and I don't need it too long. Alrighty guys, so as you guys could tell, I did tape it up onto the harness, some harnesses back here, just to make it look more neat and more clean and not no wires hanging underneath the truck. But I bring it over here, the connection to the actual camera. As of right now, everything looks good for the camera to plug and play, and then just basically just taping up the harness and everything and making it look clean. So we're gonna install this real quick. This little wire, we're going to be using it to feed it through, and then it's going to come out through one of these holes on the left or right side. It's that little hole right there. It's kind of hard to see it. Tape it, and then we're going to slowly pull it down. But as you can tell, the wire is all the way down. Now just take off the tape and connect it. All right, so here is the mount. You see those two little pieces of tape right there? I'll take those off real quick. Those two little white pieces of tape, and then basically should just clip right in. Now that looks way better. fish it down through here in the back, hop onto the truck, basically connect my wire together. And now I'm going to put tape right over here. That way no water gets into it. There it is right there. We are all set now. We're gonna go test it out. Alrighty guys, let's test it out. Let's see what we got here. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the truck in reverse and bam, there it is guys. Backup camera installed. Everything's ready to go. We are Gucci. Alrighty guys, if you guys like this video, can you please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.